This is it, my ideal life. Tiny trailer parked somewhere wide open. Space is tight, but it's exactly what I need. Because all that matters is right outside. I found out there's a desert here, a real one. So I moved there in the middle of summer, like any other sane person would do, and got to do all my favorite things, while swimming, fossil hunting, and cooking outdoors, of course. So here's one day of my nomad life out here, exactly as it happened. This is week 4 of living in my trailer. I'm slowly getting used to this and being in a tiny space. I moved into this part of BC a week ago now, living here for a while getting to know the area. The landscape is real cool. A desert surrounded by mountains and rivers. And in my time here, I started writing again, mostly in the mornings when it's quiet. I love this place. There's something here that I find incredibly soothing. Like I could just sit and look at the river flowing by and the birds and just write. It's just easy to get my thoughts out of my head. So I like it. There are a lot of trains passing by at every time of the day and night. People here are annoyed by them, but I find the noise weirdly relaxing. I love trains. They make me dream of moving through places, slowly, with intention. I really like those berries, do they? They're like giant. They're so nice. One of the first things I do when I'm somewhere new is to explore it on foot. I love when there are trails starting straight from my door. It's full of cacti that I'm trying to avoid. This is my new home, I tell myself. And I love the process of getting to know it on my own terms. It's 1,000,000 degrees outside. I always try my best to live close to water, so this is coming in handy right now. Oh, wow. That is really nice. Making pesto today. I don't have any pine nuts, so I'm doing it with walnuts, but the rest is pretty much the same. As tempting as it was to just bake under the afternoon heat, we decided to go fossil hunting instead, to a place I spotted earlier on the side of the road. So, what are you guys doing here? What is this place?
It's fossil beds, and we're looking at the Eocene epic time period. We've got the Ginkgo dissecta, which is between 50 to 55 million years old. And then after an event known as a Paleo-Eocene thermal maximum, 95% of the species on the planet go extinct. And then roughly about 1,000,000 or 2 years later, more modern plants that we have here today evolved from this time period.
And what's this? It's like a plant?
That, we're hoping that one is from like a Douglas fir, because Douglas firs are the only ones where the needles branch off.
I love this one too.
Metasequoia. Fish. You can actually see the bone inside of it still.
Oh, it's true.
That's my favorite.
It was great talking to another human for a while. It can get lonely out here, even for someone actively chasing solitude like ourselves. So we're going fossil hunting today.
No, sure it's something.
Show it to me? I think so. This is so cool that you can actually walk and find fossils. It's in there. This looks like petrified wood. Okay, printing this for my tattoo artist. Isn't it the coolest thing? This is the type of prime desert landscape that I really enjoy. It's crazy to believe that this is Canada. Just me and my rocks. Time with rocks is always time well spent. For me, at least. See this plant? Wow. I was definitely getting cooked in the sun, so we headed towards one of my secret swim holes for a dip. So good. I was thinking about why I love it so much. I mean, living this way. I think it's about movement and constant change. I really don't like being stationary. But it's also about finding comfort in nature. I mean, the nature I like is supposed to be harsh. But if for a little while I can feel cozy and at home in a wild landscape, then I feel like the luckiest person alive. So I guess my whole idea of comfort has changed. Feeding my soul has priority over comfort for sure. Is this your washing station?
Kind of.
After dinner, I just go on a very long walk, especially now that days are so long still. Wow. Clouds are super pink tonight. It's like fluffy cotton candy pinkness going on. And we hear the birds, and we hear the trains. This place is magic. We love it. We made a pact to walk a few miles every evening and reach the stop sign on top of the hill. Some days it was easy, others not so much. And then there will always be a train at dusk appearing out of nowhere, wishing us good night. So this is it. One full day of my nomad life. A day of feeling and curiosity and time well spent. I'll be heading back to the coast soon, away from the heat. Until then, thanks for coming along.